Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce like an Italian. First, let's talk about the stars of the show, your ingredients. For an authentic taste, always reach for high-quality canned San Marzano tomatoes. They offer a perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Fresh garlic and basil are also non-negotiable for that bright, herbaceous flavor. And of course, a good extra virgin olive oil forms the rich base of your sauce. These simple, quality ingredients are key to a truly delicious marinara. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat your extra virgin olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely minced garlic and gently sauté it until it becomes fragrant, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. The key here is to avoid browning the garlic, as this can introduce an unwanted bitter taste to your sauce. For a little warmth, consider adding a small pinch of red pepper flakes at this stage. This simple step lays the groundwork for a deeply flavorful marinara. Once your aromatics are ready, it's time for the tomatoes. If you're using whole canned tomatoes, crush them by hand before adding them to the pot. This creates a wonderful rustic texture. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook, partially covered, for at least 30 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Finally, just before serving, stir in a generous amount of fresh basil leaves to brighten the entire dish. Your authentic Italian marinara sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Serve it simply with your favorite pasta, use it as a base for other dishes, or even as a delicious dipping sauce for crusty bread. For an extra touch of richness, a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese is always a welcome addition. Remember, the best marinara is made with love and quality ingredients. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.